Hi friends, my name is Vanesha. Welcome to Animate CC class. Now today we will learn about how to sorry GIF file in Animate CC. Now see my screen. I will show you to do the GIF file exporting. Create a new fresh document. First you go to Animate CC. Then you can do any tween as you like, but you can do only tweening. It can't come movie clip, it can't come button also. It comes only by tweening of four types: shape tween, classic tween, frame by frame tween, and motion tween. Now see, I will show you about the shape tween. Select the make one circle, will undo, make one circle using oval tool shortcut key O, or you go to tools by pressing on Ctrl plus F2. Now you make one circle like this. Select the circle like this. Okay. Now go to first second frame, which means 24th frame. Press F6 there, and you delete the circle, and using rectangle tool shortcut key R, make one rectangle, press K for paint bucket tool, and you use it as any color, as I will use as red color. Now right click on the layer number 1 and click on create shape tween. Now this means the shape tween. I will create the motion tween like this in another layer like this. In layer number 2, I will convert it as motion tween and I will fill it as blue color like this by pressing on K for paint bucket tool. Right click, create a motion tween and click on OK like this. Now go to here like this and you ensure the freeform path, or you do it as curve. In the third case, I will do it as classic tween of any shape, but I will use it as three-sided polygon, which means triangle, using polystar tool like this. Now I will make one tween as it is classic tween like this. Press F6 here and you use till here, and now see, I will move it like this. In classic tween, right click, create classic tween and click on OK like this. I will show again how to do it the tweening like this. Like this. Now see, I will test it out like this. Now go to file, export, export animated GIF like this. Now it will load. Tell here how much file is heavy. When it is heavy file, it will take some time like this, but this is lighter, so it will be as in 1 second like this. Now I will play this from here triangle shape like this, and you loop it once like this. Then you use anything, click on save desktop, and I will save it on anywhere, but I will save not as untitled file, but I will save it as all tween and click on enter key like this, and it closes automatically. Okay, now when I will minimize this, you can see the tween Now I will select this and now you can see how it is. Again I will play like this. Now it is one tweening like this. Okay, this means how to export the GIF file. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.